project is to cut this dead tree down. We're in desperate need for some firewood up at our cabin, and now's the best time to get it across the river because the river is frozen. So all the branches on this dead tree are all on the north side, making it want to lean to the north. I tried a wedge to kind of get it to go the way I want it to, and I think this is the safest way to get it to go where you truly want it to go, because I'm no lumberjack. I wasn't completely confident of my measuring ability. I guess I should probably add, as long as the distance between the tree and where you are is longer than the tree itself. Goodness.
What is it?
We can't use this audio.
Why not?
We'll get a copyright infringement. But seriously, like in other videos, oh my gosh, I've said that I can't do sheetrock and I can't weld. I've got something else I can add to that. Come on, let me love you now. Come on, let me love you and hold me through the storm. I gotta clean. I gotta sharpen my chain before I try to buck this up. It's just way too big of a tree. That's why I put a Sharpie marker right here so I don't just keep on sharpening ones that are already sharpened. Now I gotta flip it around and do the same thing on the other side. All right, back to the Sharpie mark. So this chainsaw is hopefully sharp. This next part's gonna be tough. Hey, that thing's sharp! Woo! Okay, thank you. Well, again, it's another project I'm trying to get done while I'm on call. I just got called out. I'll be back. All right, so I'm back from call. I'm gonna try to finish this up. I gotta wear these under my ear protection so I can hear my phone ring if I do get called out again. The life in one last pine. I usually stack these up like this so then the kids can find them easily and they can grab them and they can bring them to where I need to go. But CJ's up at Giants Ridge, Finley's at a birthday party, and Jenna's meeting a friend, so I'm all by myself today. What I'm gonna do is you start all the way down at that end until you get to these ones, because these ones will end up feeling as heavy as those ones once I'm done. All right, I'm just warming up a little bit in the sandbar. This is a chore that me and my brother had to do all the time with my dad. And my dad passed away 12 years ago now, so doing things like this just reminds me of him. So I used to get so mad at my dad because he would continually chainsaw and chainsaw and chainsaw and chainsaw. So me and my brother hauling all the wood back and forth, and I used to think, like, you have the easy job. Like, you're just cutting up, having fun, like, while we are walking back and forth carrying these logs, like. And now that I'm older and I'm the one doing the chainsawing, it's not much easier, that's for sure. But I do wish my kids were here to help me. as well as Jenna. At least Willo's trying to help me. Willo got the hint, I think. Oh, thank you. This is my anytime fitness right here. I'm beat.